Hello, everyone, and welcome. I am so excited to talk to you today about something that is genuinely going to change how you think about print profitability. We're not talking about a new piece of iron. We're talking about a massive intelligence upgrade for the incredible machines you already own.
So let's just jump right in with a big question. Your press is an absolute powerhouse, right? It's a feat of engineering. But is it smart? I mean, what if we could give every single press on your floor an expert brain? A brain that knows exactly how to solve problems the second they happen.
All right, Section 1. A new intelligence arrives. See, this is all about bridging the most critical gap in our industry. That space between a machine just being functional and it being consistently, wildly profitable. We're here to close that gap for good.
And the answer is a tool that's nothing short of revolutionary. We call it the Embelliprint AI by bigDAWGS. You can think of it as your new secret weapon, an expert in a box, ready to go, designed to absolutely maximize your uptime and your profit.
So what is this thing, really? Section 2, your AI Copilot. The best way to think about it is like having your own expert copilot sitting right there with your operator. It's available for every single job, on every single shift, and the answers are instant. No more waiting for a callback, just immediate, on-the-spot expertise.
Now, the details here are what make this a complete game changer. I want you to focus on the words private and managed. This is not some public chatbot that just read a manual. Oh no, this is a dedicated, secure, expert system built from the ground up on proprietary, real-world data specifically to solve your print challenges.
Which brings us to how this AI actually gets so smart. Section 3, the Collective Intelligence Engine. This is the secret sauce. This is what's going to give you what feels like an almost unfair advantage out there in the market. This slide just lays it all out perfectly. A standard AI, it's basically a digital manual. It can look up a spec for you, great. But Embelliprint AI, it's a true digital expert. It's not trained on some generic public info. It's trained on a deep, private knowledge base of thousands of actual, machine-specific service logs, documented solutions, and proven fixes from operators in the field. It doesn't just know the theory, it knows what actually works.
This is just so powerful. We've created a collective intelligence engine. So whenever our senior experts solve a really tricky problem for any of our customers, we document that fix, we anonymize it, and we feed that solution right back into the AI. What does that mean for you? It means the AI gets smarter for everyone, every single day. Your challenges are helping solve someone else's, and theirs are helping solve yours.
And right there, that is our insurmountable advantage. This proprietary, constantly growing database of real-world fixes is something that literally no one else can replicate. It's our advantage, and when you partner with us, it becomes your advantage too.
Okay, let's get practical. Enough theory. How does this actually translate into real-world, self-serve solutions that are going to empower your team and just crush downtime? Let's walk through a couple of scenarios.
So picture this. You're running a high-pressure job, and boom, some vague error code pops up. The press stops. The old way? Panic, frantic phone calls, waiting, just waiting. The new way? Your operator just types that code into the AI and instantly gets a proven, step-by-step fix. We're talking about turning hours of downtime into mere minutes of uptime. It's that simple.
Or what about this one? We've all been there. A tricky, expensive new substrate comes in for a high-value job. Instead of that costly, painful process of trial and error, spoilage, waste, your operator just asks the AI, hey, what are the best settings for foil adhesion on this stuff? And bam, it delivers a precise recipe based on documented, successful results from similar materials. All that guesswork and waste, gone. And the applications are just incredible. You can get expert guidance on those really complex variable data finishing or VDF workflows. You can get tuning tips for that beautiful high-value microfoiling. You can troubleshoot quality issues like modeling right on the fly. And get this, it even acts as a 24/7 training partner. Think about it. You can empower your new hires to learn and solve problems without constantly having to interrupt your senior staff. That alone is a game changer.
So by now, you're probably thinking, okay, I get it. This is amazing. How do I get this game-changing power for my operation? Well, let's talk about how you bring this expert copilot onto your team.
First thing to know, this is not some little optional add-on. The Embelliprint AI is the absolute core of our premier partnership programs. This is a strategic tool, and it's designed for market leaders who are serious about getting the absolute most out of their investment.
We've put together 3 all-inclusive partnership programs, and they're all built around the AI. As you can see, every single tier, from our AI Retainer all the way up to AI Mission Critical, gives you a ton of AI requests every month. But look, it's so much more than just the AI. We've bundled in hours with our human expert support team and with our creative concierge services. And you'll notice one more thing. Every single tier gets our unlimited white glove proofing service. This is a complete end-to-end solution for maximum profitability.
So the question really is the one you see right here. This is the future of print production. It's a future where your hardware isn't just powerful, it's truly intelligent. It's a future with less downtime, less waste, and a whole lot more profit. So, are you ready to build that future with us?